Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is NTL and I'm here to help you improve your art. In the last episode, we are talking about lines and curves to get used to drawing and warm up before every session to create something like this with a lot of small curve, big curve, straight line, and cross hatching in the future. But as you know, if you want to create your dream artwork, you have to get to the fundamental. And by following some genuine guideline and rule, we will create something that is called basic shape. So what is basic shape exactly and how can we practice it? Today, I will show you how. Let's get on right into it. So what are the basic shape? The basic shape is just the simple 2D flat shape introduced to us when we were kids. And I will show you the press sheet that demonstrate what I'm talking about in the next segment. Okay guys, so this is all the basic shape that we are talking about. I want you guys to focus specifically on these angle shape like the square, the rectangle, the triangle, the rhombus, the parallelogram, and trapezium. For more of the curved side of the shape, I focus on the circle, the oval, the ellipse, and the heart. Now, let us practice. So here we have all the square that we need. It's the square, the rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, oval, circle, ellipse, and heart. So I will start with the simple draft that I create with my pencil. So let's get started. We'll start with the square. The rectangle. The triangle. The parallelogram. The rhombus. And finally, the trapezium. Next up, we will draw with our free hands. And here I have the oval, the circle, and the ellipse, and the heart. So for this, you have to loosen your arm and create something like this for the oval. Just like a small egg. Next, with the circle. The ellipse is harder than usual because I usually draw this side is too pointy. So let's try it. And finally, the heart. It's very offset, so if you guys want to see more, more easily here. And that is it. You guys can practice with freestyle without draft. For me, once more. Let's go. For square. The rectangle. The triangle. parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, oval, circle, ellipse, and a heart. Yeah, it's pretty much it for today's video of the basic shape. I will give you guys some homework to do. Wait, there is a homework? Yes, there is. Just very simple shape. You can create everything you want. So if you guys find this video helpful, like it and share it with one friend. That is it for today. Hope you have a productive day and thank you for watching.